Let's go! Stock market bulls and bears. I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel. Buy the dip. That is right, guys. In today's video, we got something real exciting to talk about. We got a couple things. First, we're going to talk about warrants. Big topic that I know my man Mark in the comments have been asking for it. So, not that there's really a lot of information, but we're going to go over some warrants and what we need to focus on about if you have LCA HW warrants. And also we're going to talk about Michigan and we're going to talk about Illinois, guys. So that's going to be very important. And we're going to look at my Robinhood portfolio and we're going to take a peek at my Fidelity portfolio. So guys, hope you all are ready for today's video. If you are, hit that thumbs up and join that thumbs up nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you. So baby, let's get to it. Let's go! Alright guys, so hope you enjoyed that intro. And now, look at this here. We're going to do a quick rundown of my Fidelity account to show you. So, if you look at my cost basis, $13.61 a share, guys. Have 135 shares. And my total gain loss, I'm up 42.39%. Up $778, and as you guys know, my very first purchase of Golden Nugget was down here on July the 10th. I bought them up through the July 23rd. I bought my 130 shares, and then I even bought 5 more shares, guys, back here on November the 6th. 5 shares there at $13.19. So sitting at 135 shares, looking pretty nice. And if we go down here now to the warrants. Yes, guys, we got warrants. Showing you my Fidelity account and everything we got in it, man. So, Fidelity account right here, warrants, as you can see. I paid $4.51 a share for my warrant. I have 40 shares. And right now, I'm up $61, which I'm up 34% on the warrants, guys. Looking pretty good. So, here's what I know about warrants, and we're going to keep continuing on this. We have to wait till we get the SEC date and the filing. I just called Fidelity, literally. Just got off the phone of Fidelity. They looked in their system and nothing is coming up for the LCA HW warrants that I have here. But I think it's because we got to get an SEC official voting date. So they said once the merger happens and we change it over to jikh, give them a call back. They will give me all the details, but from what they found out as well as what we already know, you buy the warrant at the current price, and that is what it is. Once it converts over to jikh, you pay that $11.50 for each warrant that you have. So for me, I have 40 warrants, so I'm going to pay $11.50 times 40, and I'll have to find out if Fidelity charges any fee to convert the warrants over, which we're not sure yet because it ain't officially jikh yet, so we don't know that information. Some people said that TD Ameritrade is like 40 or 50 bucks to convert your warrants. So I will keep in touch. Once the ticker symbol changes to jikh, I may even call them, like once we get an SEC date, I may call them a day or two before the vote to see if they have any updated on their system. So just wanted to give you all that update, man. I think that was very important that we show that because the warrants is a pretty big deal, man. We can keep purchasing in warrants. So that is a good option as well if you have Fidelity. So now let's get into the Robinhood. All right, guys, here's a quick snapshot of the Robinhood account. You can see LCA right now went down about 99 cents today. So we're down to 19.01. Great buying opportunity if you want to pick up some shares. It may dip again below 18. It was below there a little bit today. And if it dips a little farther, we may want to pick up another options contract. So we'll have to wait and see. May want to pick up around that January. I think the December 18th one's looking a little bit more affordable now that the price came down. You can get that, I think it's $20 strike price, $25 strike price for like 100, 200 bucks. So it's starting to look a little appealing. So real quick on the shares, as you see, I have 110 shares here on Robinhood. Average cost of $13.14. And currently, my total return, I'm up 44.66%, up 645 bucks. So looking pretty good on both portfolios of my total. So 110 on Robinhood, 135. That puts me at 245 plus 40 warrants that I can convert later on takes me to 285. So I need to get 15 more shares, guys, and I'll have 300 shares of LCA in the future. Yes, so I need to get 15 more shares. And I may just have to buy them at whatever cost just so I get that nice 300. I think will look pretty good. But now, guys, we're going to get into talking about Michigan and Illinois. So let's get to it, guys. So real quick, here it's saying how Golden Nugget gains Illinois market access, partners with the Danville development, which we're pretty familiar with that, but there is a couple good things I think we need to get down here and read. And it's basically saying here that the Illinois Gaming Board approves the Danville Casino and Golden Nugget coming to Illinois, which is great. The Danville development struck an agreement with the jikh on Thursday. Golden Nugget was able to offer sports wagering and online casino if legalized. So that there is, I think, really key, that if legalized. But guys, as we know, I think it will be legalized, no problem, because they're having royalties come off of some of jik's profits. So I know that may sound bad that we're paying a little bit of royalties, but it's good because it gives them motivation to pass it. And up here, I like this part here. It says, if and when the Illinois Gaming Board approves the Danville Casino and Golden Nugget. If and when. So that to me, like I said, is definitely going to happen, guys. We ain't worried about that. And it says here, Danville is not a pending casino applicant as of writing this. In other words, it'll be likely a while before the Illinoisians, that's a kind of a tongue twister, can visit a Golden Nugget or bet on its site. So I think that it's basically saying here, it's significant news. It may tell us something about what's coming to Illinois in the sports betting. So I think, guys, that is really huge. That is on the Play Illinois website. And trust me, guys, I've been researching Play Pennsylvania. I've been on all the websites that they've been talking about, the 8 states, and I found, that Illinois and Michigan has stuff with Golden Nugget. So the next one we're going to get in here too, we're going to go into Play Michigan, has a little bit more information for us, which I think will be key. All right, guys, and actually on this one, we got 2 little quick articles to go over here. We got this one down here that was posted on November the 30th. Michigan online casino and sports betting launch could take place in 2020. So we definitely want to click and read some more. As you see here, it's saying basically what I read you there. And if we scroll down here, guys, it's kind of saying here that through the Michigan legislature is expected to take its next steps to the online gambling launch Tuesday. No start date has yet been set. The Michigan Gaming Control Board remains hopeful. The Michigan Casino and Michigan Online Sports Betting can start this year, according to the spokesperson Mary Kay Bean in an email to Play Michigan. So I think that there is pretty huge. And it says the licensing process could take another couple weeks after the rules are moved out of their committee that has a regular meeting on December the 8th. Michigan residents could have online gaming launch about 1 year to that day that Governor Gretchen Whitmer signed expanded gambling laws on December 20th of 2019. So 1 year from that, guys, could put us to December 20th of 2020, and we could have the online stuff going in Michigan. These laws would legalize online sports betting, online casino, and online poker. Online poker should launch sometime in 21, which we're not worried about the poker. We're not worried about the poker. We want that online gambling, the casino. We want the slot machines. We want the roulette. We want the blackjack. We want the 3-card poker. That is what we want. We want those live dealer studios. We want people gambling in the actual casino, guys. That's what we want. Gambling at the live casino tables. Online, of course. You can be in the actual casinos, which is really good. And if we go back here to the other article, I think it was really a good one here, guys. And here it is. Michigan online gambling rules move forward, paving the way for a launch. And this here, I'm not going to lie, this one got me a little excited. I wanted to bring out the Mad Dog for this one. Woo! Guys, because there is a key thing that we needed that a lot of you all were worried about, but we got an answer here. And this was just posted December the 1st. So literally today, guys, this is updated. You're hearing these Golden Nugget updates directly from your boy, because I bring it hot off the press, man. I'm not just here. I give you the actual news and official articles about jikh, man. I'm not just here to say buy jikh and there it goes. Anyone could just say buy it. But I'm telling you why to buy it, and I'm showing you the reasons why and going in depth with the states of getting legalized. I'm putting the research in. And I hope you guys appreciate it. If you do, hit the thumbs up. All right, so if we get down here to that, man, we're one step closer to online gambling launch here in Michigan. The state's legislators, blah, blah, blah. Here is the key, man. They waived the maximum 15-day session on Tuesday. Yes, sir, today, Tuesday. They waived it because you guys are worried that the 15-day rule was going to be an issue. But remember, the Rona is out. And we said, why ain't these Michiganders getting on Zoom, man? Do the vote on Zoom. Use something, man. Get on the webcam and vote. But because we know they had an outbreak, if you guys follow me, you know this. The Michigan legislator had an outbreak of the virus. So they couldn't vote. That is why Michigan has been delayed of the virus. It ain't because they're, messing around. They literally had a virus outbreak at the legislature. So that is what happened. And I said that they was going to waive it, guys. And here it is. Today they voted. They waived the 15-day session, moving the internet sports, betting, and internet gaming rules along to the next step. In Lansing, the Michigan Gaming Control Board will next send the rules to the official of the Great Seal. There is likely to be at least a couple weeks of licensing and procedure before an actual launch of the online gambling for consumers. We'll see how the holidays and the New Year's play a part of this potential launch date. So, also at issue, whether operators themselves would prefer squeeze in 2020 or wait until the new year. The MGCB will convey next week on its regular meeting, December the 8th. So that is an important date, guys, for Michigan. December the 8th, they're going to get in here and do that vote, I think, and we're going to see if we can get that official news. So even though the stock's down a little bit, don't worry about it, because once they get more official news in Michigan, man, we're going to go back up to the moon. I told you this the other day, guys. We had a little bit of a bull run. We were going to the moon. But in order to get to the moon, you do have to make a couple pit stops, because you got to stop, use the restroom. You got to stop and grab a couple snacks. And that slows down your trip of going to the moon or any kind of vacation. You got to do those pit stops. And that's just all we're doing right now on Golden Nugget, guys. We're taking a few pit stops because we got to get some gas in the vehicle. We got to fuel up the rocket going to the moon. We need some jet fuel. We need all kind of stuff to get to the moon. And while we're at the moon, we need to have a party. So we had to stop at the liquor store and grab some Mad Dog. We had to stop and grab some Jameson. We had to stop and grab some Bud Light and all that, man. We had to stop and grab it all so we could celebrate with the drinks on the moon. That's right. So you got to have a plan. Once you get to the moon, you got to have a party on the moon. So, guys, that is the reason that they waived this. And December the 8th, we're going to have some really, really great news, guys. So I hope you guys are really, really excited about this, because I know I am. And we're going to go cover one last little topic, and then we're going to call it the end of this video. So let's get into that last part. All right, guys, and for the last part, I just wanted to get in here and update you all on the market cap. We dropped about $1 today, but we're still at a $766 million market cap, guys. That is beautiful. And I think we are on the road to that $1 million market, or $1 billion, not million, $1 billion market cap, man. So just wanted to get in here and show you all that, guys. Like I said, man, you all are the best. If you love and appreciate all the work I put in these updates, man, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up, join the Thumbs Up Nation. And if you stay here this long, down below in the first link in the description, we got the Teespring shirt, man, right here. Got a shirt, we got a mug, got the Let's Go in the back. I have that new design coming as well, guys. Just wanted to let you know that the new Jikh gang sign shirt is coming. It is, if you go down the link and you go to my store, you can see the Jikh gang shirt. Like I said, leave your comments below. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Whatever you want to say. I got the mayor of Jikh on the back of that shirt, so I'd like to see you guys' opinion on that. So, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Remember, too, in this market, too, buy the dip when the bulls are out. I mean, when the bears are out. When the bears are out, man, buy the dip. Like, I went shopping today. Maybe I need to do a video on the stuff I went and purchased today on this shopping spree I did. So, guys, I will catch you in the next one. So, baby, let's